Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So I want you to stop doing something. In this video, I'm going to talk about one thing you really need to focus on, and that's something you need to stop doing. And that's taking clients that you have no interest in, that's not a good fit for you, that you're going to end up losing the account and has absolutely no value. So let's kind of look at that for a minute. Let's say you're working a 9 to 5 and you're absolutely ready to leave the 9 to 5. You cannot stand it. We've all been there. But if you leave the 9 to 5 and take on, let's say you don't like residential cleaning or you don't like doing carpets and floors, but you're ready to leave the 9 to 5. What you're doing is you're moving out of desperation and not inspiration. When you move out of desperation, you end up taking on things that never, ever, ever work out because you're desperate. You end up pricing the job too low, not getting a great testimony, losing confidence in if this is something you really want to do. That is the worst thing you can do when it comes to moving from desperation to inspiration. So this is what I would suggest that you do instead. Try your best to hang on to that 9 to 5 or whatever it is that has you 100% motivated in doing your own business. Think of it as an inspiration and not a desperation. Try to write down on a piece of paper your ideal customer, what type of industry you want to work in when it comes to your ideal customer, and what kind of hours do you want to work. Are you looking to do residential, commercial, government? Are you looking to work at night, Monday through Friday, Saturdays and weekend? Write all of that down so that you can have exactly in your mind what you're looking to do this year and the year forward. Write down your dream business. It's absolutely possible in this industry to have that. Write all of it down. And then when you're looking for that customer, make sure that you get at least 50% of what you're looking for in that customer. If you make sure you get at least 50% and you make sure that you understand that this is the first step, next look at doing 60%, then 70, then 80, then 90. Once you do that, you're going to have the ideal business, the ideal customers. It's going to fit your lifestyle instead of having your business, like having your life fit your business. You're going to have your business fit your life. I never, ever, ever worked any Sundays. Sundays were my day. I might do something Monday through Friday, and then Saturdays I would do like the walkthrough and initial clean, but I never, ever, ever did Sundays. And I made sure no matter how much I may have wanted that account, I didn't deviate because I would have got burnt out right away. So if you want to avoid burnout, then stop doing this, taking customers out of desperation and start writing down what you want and getting inspired and do more inspiration. You'll notice the difference right away, and the money will be so much sweeter. If you want to learn more, in my next video, I'm going to talk about government contracts and some of the things you want to make sure you pay attention to when it comes to one specific certification that is making a lot of money in the cleaning industry. So look forward to seeing you soon. And if you're interested in all the events I have, make sure you check out what's going on when it comes to our events. We have all kinds of masterclasses in commercial and government. So I'd love to see you there. Make sure you register. Space is limited. So until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.